as we get to celebrate Carlie. It's a really good day, and we can congratulate one of our seniors and wish them well as they move on to continue their sport at the college level.
But not only is she going to leave as an SBC champion, as an individual and a team, a district champion as an individual and a team, a state qualifier, a state placer, school record holder. The list is endless on her accomplishments.
I'd like to thank you guys all for coming here and for your constant support. And I'd like to thank my parents especially, because I would not be here without them. And definitely to Coach Diaz for his insane workouts, because I definitely would not be where I'm at or be able to have this experience without him.